We founded Sustainable Ventures almost 12 years ago now. We had a vision of the world in which the twin challenges of climate change and resource scarcity were two of the gravest challenges facing humankind.
Every company that we've invested in carries some of our own money and our own risk.
We set up the Sustainable Accelerator Fund to be able to take our expertise and apply it directly to other entrepreneurs trying to make a difference in this sector.
One of the great strengths of the accelerator is that it's an integral part of the wider sustainable ventures infrastructure and ecosystem. And that's best exemplified by this building, the sustainable workspace that we run here in County Hall.
One of Europe's largest climate tech clusters and the home to over 100 startups in this exciting sector.
We invest in early stage businesses, which means that many of them are eligible for full SEIS. Why should an investor place their money with us? We bring real skill and real understanding to the sector. We have the best investment team operating at this stage in the market. We're able to do effective due diligence, and we've got a really good track record of selecting businesses that go on to succeed.
Our strategy is to invest into great pre-seed stage founders who are solving clear problems for their customers. We focus on B2B technologies that benefit from IP protection and have huge growth potential. The sectors we cover include carbon capture, sustainable food production, novel materials, and net zero energy technologies. We have several things which make us different to other investors. Our exclusive focus on climate tech, coupled with deep sector expertise across our team. Our relationships with the sources of new innovation helps founders grow faster and deliver more impact.
We came to Sustainable Accelerator with not much more than an idea, and in 4 years we are producing a really high quality product at leader level, and we have collaborations and commercial partnerships that are paid with companies from USA and elsewhere. I'm really excited to see what is the next generation of hard tech climate startups that SA is going to invest in, and then how we as founders can help support those companies to really scale and grow.
Over the last 6 funds, we've gained insights into the key elements that define a successful founding team. These insights cover a wide range of elements, spanning from the technical know-how all the way through to the interpersonal dynamics. Sourcing and replicating these synergies has been focal to our efforts. COPA was a standout venture in the GLA's Better Futures program. The team made their way through the Sustainable Ventures ecosystem until they were selected for investment at one of our pitch events earlier this year.
At COPA, we're building a platform to accelerate and de-risk the home energy transition. COPA's platform supports the supply chain, reducing home carbon emissions and modernising our housing stock. SV has helped us develop our business model, pulling in experts where needed. And we've even had supports with ops planning that's helped us recruit through the ecosystem. Since joining the portfolio, we've landed customers in 2 of our target verticals and secured government innovation funding. It's been a really great experience so far, and I think the alignment between our visions really makes for a great match.
Alongside our investment, each portfolio company receives 12 months of tailored and intensive support. This support can range from aiding in product development, market analysis, and business development efforts, through to HR, fundraising, and even governance structures. Our support expands beyond this 12-month period, as startups graduate into the wider ecosystem, where we take a lower touch, but on-demand approach to venture support. I'm currently supporting Batchworks, one of our most recent investments. Primarily, we're focusing this support on preparation for their upcoming funding round.
Batchworks is a circular manufacturing company that uses 3D printing to leverage ideas about the circular economy. Traditionally, we're making things in a centralised way where parts are flown halfway around the world and end up in the bin. Batchworks only makes what's needed and only makes it when it's needed. Batchworks is developing new AI-powered technology to manage quality control, which will enable us to create manufacturing sites in multiple locations around the world. Instead of a traditional centralised manufacturing model where parts are made in one location and shipped anonymously all around the globe, we're able to have much more localised production hubs, manufacture things where they're needed and when they're needed. The support that we've received from Sustainable Ventures has been instrumental in helping us fill the gaps that we need to grow our business.
We're delighted to have delivered 2 exits to date, but believe this is just the tip of the iceberg in this sector. Our portfolio has gone on to raise over 100 million in follow-on funding.
Over the last 6 funds, we've built a portfolio of over 40 highly diverse and fast-growing companies, ranging from innovations in material sciences through to logistics and mobility solutions, each filling a distinct gap and playing an important role in our transition towards net zero. With the launch of Fund 7, Sustainable Accelerator is set to build on this track record as one of Europe's leading crowd-funded venture capital funds. Invest in the future of climate tech with Sustainable Accelerator.